Now then, back out today. This new permission of ours stays somewhere, it's taken off already. Yeah, we'll give this a go and see what happens. I can't see him in the picture, but he's out there somewhere already, keen and eager to find all these treasures. Catch you soon. Right, first dig of the day. That sounded decent, solid 15. I've dug the hole, there you go. Let's see. Well, it had to be, didn't it? Had to be. It's a button. Best find of the day, a button. Crack on. Right, we've got a 21 here. 21. It's still in the hole. Let's have a look. Is it going to be a lump of iron? Oh, something there. I can see it. Oh. What are you? What are you? Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that is really nice. Hey, look at that. Oh, I'll take that. Nice little buckle. Yeah. Very nice. Crack on. Right, brother's onto something over there in the distance. And hey up, shadow. Hello? I think there's something in the hole. Let's have a look. Right, let's dig this hole out. I think it's an old electrical fitting connector by the looks of it. Yep. Bit of ironing with that as well, that's why it was giving a funny signal, but hey ho. Right, crack on. Right, we're here with Steve. He's about to do a live dig.
It's not live, it's pre-recorded. There's no script though.
No, it can't be.
Must be in that little bit there. Yep. What we got?
Oh, it's tiny, whatever
It's
it
tiny.
is.
It's in the hand.
Gosh.
It's a little button.
Oh, button.
It's a little button.
So look then.
Get some age. No, it's nothing spectacular. Just a little loop on the back.
Oh. Right up.
But that could have been a Vicky Gold all day long at 14.15. Yep, not this time.
Right, crack on. We've got an 18 here. I'm just going to have a little look, see if we can get it. There we are, it's here. What's it going to be? Gilded button. Gosh, that is tiny. There we are. Just a little button. I don't think there's out on the other side. No, just a button. Tiny button. Crack on. Right, what have you got, bro?
Got a 1920.
Right, get it dug.
Pretty much the year Banny was born. 1920. Still in the hole. Still in the hole.
In the hole.
Alright, let me just see. It's just there. It's just there. What could it be? Get the old diggy tool out. Old sword of spade. We're in there. We're in there.
In there?
What's she gonna be?
What's in that?
What's it gonna be in the hole for Stevie P? Is it gonna be a piece of crap?
It's gonna be a piece of crap.
Yeah, but
no buts. It's
yeah,
crap.
that could have been an old penny. That
It's crap.
it's
Right,
crap.
crack on. Right, we've got 16, 17 here. Let's see what's this, another mail tube. Right. Yep. Called it. Called it. It's a moo tube. 17. What's a 17? What is a 17? It's a moo tube. And it is a shotgun cartridge. Crack on.
If that was gold, that'd be lovely.
I think you're just a member at Chain Gang. Oh,
I can't tell you what that is. But it looks good.
right. We have got a 25. Be something. Be anything. Right, it's in here. Come on. Nope. Yep, in here. In that bit. Oh, something. It's not much, but it's the first coin of the day. I think it's a King Dave. But it's a coin. We got a little coin. 3 hours out here and we finally found a coin.
Hold it that way up and you look
Found
at
a coin, but bust me glasses. We could have our second coin of the day. Or it could be a button. What is it? Oh, it's another coin. Another King Dave, I think. But it's a coin. It's a bit of activity. That's all we wanted. A bit of activity today. Yay! Well, we can't see much, but it's a George III. Just on this hole, and looks, hopefully, I've got a little coin imprint. Let's see if I can find the coin. Oh, he looks in. One pence. 1 pence. It's a penny. Right, last haul of the day for me. Last haul of the day. 28. Oh. Gosh. Let's see what we've got. It looks like it is. Yep. Bit of scrap. Bugger. That was going to be a coin. Never mind. Time to go. Here he comes. Somewhere in the background there. Where is he? There he is. Right, we're done for the day as he makes his grand entrance. Let's find out what he found. Any good?
one Georgian coin.
We're doing a roundup.
One Georgian coin and a few little bits and bobs.
Yep, same for me. Nice little buckle though. 3 little coins.
Oh, they got a Victorian type pendant thing, but alt paints are.
And you got that little button with Yorkshire rose on.
Yeah, it's a possibility.
Yep, cool. Right, that's it. We off?
We're going.
Hey, we're going.